Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by getting both devices ready. Make sure your Apple Watch Ultra is charged above 50% and your iPhone is unlocked with Bluetooth enabled. Once connected, open the Watch app and confirm you can view the watch status. This lets you send commands reliably. Now disable any pending software updates, and if the watch has an active eSIM, remove it in the cellular section so network policies don't interfere. With prerequisites done, you're ready to enter demo mode exit steps. Next, you'll force a clean state by restarting and invoking the system reset. Press and hold the side button and digital crown together until the Apple logo appears. This clears transient states. Then in the Watch app, go to General About and tap the model field repeatedly to surface service options that can include demo removal or reset prompts. If the reset menu appears, pick Erase all content and settings and authenticate with your Apple ID and device passcode. This removes demo mode configuration files. To finish, set the watch up as a new device rather than restoring from any backup that could reintroduce demo mode settings. This ensures a clean system image. Sign in with your Apple ID when prompted, reconfigure cellular and app permissions, and verify normal behavior. If demo mode still appears after a fresh setup, make sure you have proof of purchase and contact Apple support or visit an Apple store. Demo mode sometimes requires service tools only Apple can run to fully clear the device.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.